Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. I have struggled with rosacea my whole life, and one of the things that I found that helped me the most is rose water. I love this one from Leven Rose. It's infused with gold. In my own personal research, I've learned that gold skincare products can help stimulate collagen and increase elasticity in your skin. So when I found rose water with gold, I was all about it. What's great about rose water is it's great for all skin types. So whether you are oily, dry, or combination, your skin's gonna love this rose water. I have found with regular use of rose water, it has really soothed my skin of inflammation, irritation, and has overall just been a great natural way to keep my skin hydrated. So if you are looking for a natural-based toner, maybe you have rosacea like I do, you should check out Leven Rose Rose Water. You are absolutely gonna love it, and I promise you won't wanna be without it. But that's just my point of view.